Hi, so we have here in Diamonds a model of a 3D industrial hall in steel, of course, which is completely calculated, so the results are available. And we have assigned three beam column connections to these nodes, and I also assigned two apex connections and one column base connection, uh, and all three of them were calculated using PowerConnect. Now we are sending this entire model to BIM Expert. Here we are, and we're exporting this to Idea Statica. I'm choosing the latest version of Idea Statica, so this is 20.1, and I'm using the physical model. That means we are not using the axes of the beams, but we are really using the complete beam, column, bolts, welds, and so on. And I'm exporting towards Idea Connection. Now here in the BIM Expert viewer, we can select nodes to be synchronized to Idea Statica. Let's first look at column base, and you can see that the bolts are present, the end plate, and so on. So I'm selecting this connection, and I'm adding it to our nodes to be exported. Next is an apex connection. I add it to the selection, and we'll also take along a beam column connection. And let's continue. Okay, and let's just choose a folder to save it in. Now Idea Statica is being launched. We create a new project, and I will import all nodes that I've selected in bulk in the Idea checkbox. Here we are. We have the three different nodes. And let's look at the first connection, the beam column connection, and I open it. Here it is. So we have the complete column, the complete beam. All the loads have been imported, but also the haunch, the welds, the end plate, the bolts, everything is there. So you're ready to calculate. You can click the calculator button immediately and see how this connection performs in Idea Statica. And this connection was previously designed with PowerConnect. Let's move over to the next one. So I will close this one. We also have the apex connection. And this is of course very similar. All the bolts, the welds, both end plates have been converted to Idea Statica Connection, and you are ready to go, ready to calculate from this connection previously calculated with PowerConnect. I will also close that one. And finally, we have the column base. Let me open it also. Here we are. Now for this column base, we just need to do a little modification. Here I'm putting the concrete block at the bottom instead of at the top. And now we are also ready to calculate all welds, all anchors, the concrete block, the loads have been transferred, and you are ready to calculate. And this is really how the workflow Diamonds, PowerConnect, Diamonds, BIM Expert, Idea Statica works.